Hi folks, this is William from Penrod Auto Repair, and well, I had somebody contact me investigating about a transmission that the transmission shop supposedly built about a year ago. And as you can look at it right here, there are some things that are a dead giveaway that this actually looks like a junkyard transmission. One, the yellow writing on the bell housing of the transmission. Two, the bolts right here look like they have never been turned on this transmission. So just keep that in mind next time you have a transmission built. Really question it, because this thing should be a whole lot cleaner than what it is for supposedly being rebuilt a year ago. You guys have a good one.